let's just switch tracks to the Pulwan state of Bihar, and two rallies are going to be taking place. Rahul Gandhi is joining in as far as the campaign trail is concerned. Do remember the NDA has been, time and again been questioning the absence of Rahul Gandhi from the state of Bihar. But now it's Rahul Gandhi who is returning to Bihar in order to hold joint rallies, and they are going to be taking place today in Muzaffarpur as well as in Darbhanga with Tejaswi Yadav. And we also have Amit Shah and Rajnath Singh who will be there in Bihar today in order to hold their rallies, while we also have ministers, these chief ministers coming in from Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Madhya Pradesh. They will also be in Bihar today. So that is the presence that is going to be of the BJP, particularly in the state of Bihar. And on the other side, we have the AIMIM chief OAC, who will also be holding a rally in Simhanchal, and that is all coming up today in the state of Bihar. Raman joining us in order to get us details of this. Raman, take us through the timings of these rallies and of course the significance of the places that they have decided to start the campaign trail, particularly with Rahul Gandhi joining in the mix, and of course the NDA there had been questioning his absence time and again from the Pulwan state.
Exactly, it's a well power-packed Wednesday in Bihar where multiples of central ministers and multiples chief ministers of BJP-ruled states going to address a public rally in Bihar, and Rahul Gandhi is coming after 2 months in Bihar, and whether BJP is questioning Rahul Gandhi again and again that where is Rahul Gandhi missing. So finally Rahul Gandhi will landing on Bihar today, and he will going to address a 2 public rally, first in Muzaffarpur and second one in Darbhanga along with the Tejaswi Yadav. Apart from it, the central minister, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah is also conducting a multiples of rally, one in Begusrai, another one in Siwan, and the Union Minister, the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh also conducting a rally in Darbhanga, as well as the BJP ruled state CM Yogi Adityanath is conducting a public rally in Siwan and Chhapra region. Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is also conducting a public rally and a road show in Danapur, Patna in the late evening. And the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav is also conducting a public rally in Bihar, as well as the AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi is conducting a public rally in the Simhanchal region, Kishanganj. So it's a well power-packed political Wednesday in Bihar, as well as the campaign compares to the India Alliance as well as the NDA. So it's a very poll-bound state. Every party is putting their efforts to conducting a public rally, engaging with the people, and this is going to be a huge political Wednesday in Bihar.
Right, Raman, stay with us for our next story as well, and this is in regard to the absence of Rahul Gandhi. Do remember that he had spent 16 consecutive days, and that was in regard to the Voter Adhikar Yatra that was, covering a huge distance as far as the state of Bihar is concerned. But his absence is being questioned since the 1st of September. So this is literally coming in just 10 days before elections, not even 10 days. In fact, voting that's going to be taking place in that 2-phase manner on the 6th, starting on the 6th. And of course, they're just literally a very few days left with Rahul Gandhi there now making his comeback, and now he is starting the campaigning as far as the poll-bound state is concerned, starting with Muzaffarpur, followed by Darbhanga today. He is going to be leading the Mahagathbandhan's poll campaign. He is going to be, of course, joined by the chief ministerial face as far as the Mahagathbandhan is concerned, and that is, of course, Tejaswi Yadav. Now, it is also reported that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra as well as Mallikarjun Kharge of the Congress party will also be holding rallies in Bihar, but this is the first election rally that's taking place with Rahul Gandhi in the fray, and of course Rahul Gandhi there taking to the stage with Tejaswi Yadav after that 16-day consecutive Pad Yatra that we saw in Bihar earlier in the month of August. Now let's just also get in my colleague Raman back with us. Raman, take us through, of course, many questions like we have been discussing about Rahul Gandhi is absent, and Rahul Gandhi there is not just him but also his sister as well as Mallikarjun Kharge, all expected to be holding rallies now, and of course with the political temperatures really soaring when it comes to the poll-bound state.
Exactly, Rahul Gandhi was not seen in Bihar for the last 2 months, and BJP is hitting out on Rahul Gandhi. That where is Rahul Gandhi? Other side, all the top leadership of NDA like the Union Home Minister, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as well as the multiples of chief ministers of BJP ruled states already campaigning in Bihar. But finally, Rahul Gandhi is landing today and campaigning for the India Alliance, and he is going to conduct a multiples of rally. And apart from Today, Rahul Gandhi will also conduct a multiple of rallies in upcoming few days. 4 to 5 days, Rahul Gandhi will conduct a continuous public rally, public address in Bihar and campaigning for the India Alliance, as well as the Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge and Priyanka Gandhi will also conducting a public rally in multiple districts of Bihar for the Congress Party and for the India Alliance. This has already been very late, and it's been a week left for the first phase of the poll. So this is the last time for the India Alliance and for the NDA also. So they are going to put all the efforts for the in the last moment that number of multiples voter and maximum numbers of voters will turn out to their side. So these are the efforts which have been made by the Congress Party, and as well as the Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi will conducting a multi-purpose rally in the upcoming few days in Bihar.
Right, of course, the BJP, they're claiming that Rahul Gandhi has been missing in action, and that is because he knows the outcome of the election. While, of course, it is the Mahagathbandhan, they're claiming that this is their strategy because this is Tejasvi Yadav versus Nitish Kumar and not so much Rahul Gandhi versus Prime Minister Modi. So that is, of course, the strategy that is playing out, and we are seeing, of course, the Gandhi family coming out in full force in order to campaign in